Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to develop your psychic abilities. So psychic abilities, I believe we all have psychic abilities. It's just that we have not discovered those. And if you're here, you're thinking that you will have psychic abilities like you can move the chair, you can transport yourself to another place completely. That is not possible. Psychic abilities will be a little bit different, but you can develop those. And before starting the video, let me tell you, if you have not subscribed to my channel till yet, do subscribe, because in the future I will be covering up a lot of new things. I will be coming up with new tarot readings. I will be coming up with astrological videos and spell work and much more. So if you have not subscribed to my channel till yet, do subscribe. So to summarize, in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to develop your psychic abilities with two ways. One way, I will be um, telling you guys some lifestyle changes and different ways by which you can develop, and the other one will be like shortcut with spell work. I have it here. So yes, see the entire video and then which one you feel is better, go with it. So the first way is by having some lifestyle changes, like becoming a vegan person, because our food plays a very important role in our body, in our mental state. Because at the end of the day, the main thing needed in becoming a psychic is a well developed third eye and you vibrating at a very high frequency. These are the two most important things for becoming a psychic: having a strong third eye and vibrating at a very high frequency. Now, by the food we eat, we can totally change our vibrations. If we eat natural things like vegetables, fruits, organic things, our vibration will definitely increase. And if we keep eating, meat, fish, we keep drinking alcohol, chemicals, all these things will at the end lead to us decreasing our vibration. So, what are the signs of someone who has a high vibration? If you are positive, you are happy, you have no anger issues. Yes, I have anger issues, I know, but naturally you're very happy. You have no stress. You're lightweight. You are in joy. You have positive feelings for everyone. This is when you are high vibration, and this is very important in developing your psychic abilities. So start start feeling good for everyone, start praising everyone, start literally changing your attitude towards life, and start seeing the life in a very positive manner. So yes, that will lead to your vibration and increase. And if your vibration will increase, you will in itself start to have those psychic abilities. Then listening to um, you know 432, this vibrational music is also very great in increasing your vibration, because this is a specified number for your vibration, right? So increasing your vibration is very important. There can be different ways by which you can do it, maybe by meditation, maybe by eating right food, maybe with your thoughts, because our thoughts are very important. If we keep thinking, I am high vibrational, I am happy, I wish everyone good, I feel the best for everyone, I want the best for everyone, this will increase your vibration. So yes, I've changed my position because bahar bahut आवाज़ें आ रही थी. So forget that. So the first step is increase your vibration, be positive, make everyone happy around you. And the second step is opening your third eye. So if you would practice tarot, you would understand, your sixth sense will in itself start awakening. So yes, tarot is a great way to start with your psychic abilities and improve your psychic abilities, because this opens your sixth sense, your third eye, which is again very important for your psychic abilities. um, You can listen to the meditation of third eye. It is here on the screen or in the description, I don't know. So I mean, I will edit it out afterwards. Oh my god. So yes, your third eye. Now, why is third eye important for psychic abilities? You know, in our brain, there is pineal gland. Yes, it is in our brain. So, when you know, there are certain ways by which you can open that pineal gland, also known as third eye, and if that is open, you can see beyond this physical. You can sense energies, you can sense spirits around you, and this is what psychic abilities are, you know, sensing the getting out of your body, those experiences, you know, seeing the future, etc., etc. Those psychic abilities are seeing beyond the spiritual, seeing beyond this physical is called psychic abilities. So third eye, very very important. So yeah, those were some ways by which you can change your lifestyle and have those psychic abilities. But if not those, you're not ready to encounter those, I have some easy way for you guys as well. And one more thing wanted to point out: start wearing crystals around you. Amethyst, that's for the crown chakra. So start wearing some crystals around you. This will help in increasing your vibration. This will help in increasing, you know, making you feel happy and positive and spiritual. So yes, now the easy way: spell work. Are you ready? So what you need: a glass of water. I have it. So what you have to do is you have to Google the next new moon in Cancer. Yes, next new moon in Cancer. You know, um, um, moon is ruled by the zodiac sign of Cancer. So new moon in Cancer, or any water sign like new moon in Scorpio, new moon in Pisces, you can Google it. You can find out the dates when is the next new moon in Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces. Whereas Cancer is the most powerful because it is ruled by the moon. So what you have to do is, on those specific dates of new moon, you can Google it out. You have to keep a glass jar filled with clean water. You know, use clean water, filtered water, and then you have to keep this glass filled with water in, you know, just under the moon. You have to keep this water full of this glass full of water under the moon. What will happen is that on the new moon day, the moon is becomes so powerful that whatever wish you want to fulfill, anything you want to fulfill, gets accepted. So on the new moon day, full moon day, you have to put this glass of water under the moon. If you're Hindu, you must have heard that, you know, on the new moon day, Purnima, we keep kheer under the moon, and on the next day we eat it because it is very healthy. On new moon day, it's very healthy. So anything on the new moon day, keep anything under the moon, that becomes powerful, extremely powerful. So what we have to do is, we have to keep this water under the moon on the new moon day. We have to say with our emotions, because psychic abilities are all about emotions. To become a psychic, it's all about your deep emotions. So you have to totally feel it and say to the water, you know, hold it in your hands and say to the water, I want my psychic abilities. I want to see auras. I want to see the future. I want to see the tarot. I want to know how to read tarot and different abilities that you want. And then every day drink this water. Keep this overnight in the moon and drink this water the next day. You know, drink this water every single day. This is a very powerful manifesting technique, very powerful law of attraction. You can definitely do it. A lot of people have been doing this manifestation thing, and I'm sure by this you will develop your psychic abilities. Drink this water then. So yeah, this is all for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do like my video and also subscribe to the channel, because I will be uploading a lot of content, I promise you guys. So yeah, without wasting further time,